Did you know that your aloe vera plant has different needs in every season? What works in summer can actually harm it in winter or on rainy days. In today's video, we'll go through a complete, step-by-step aloe vera care guide for all seasons, summer, rainy, and winter, so your plant stays green, plump, and full of healing gel all year round. Hi, plant lovers, where we make plant care simple and fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want your indoor jungle to stay happy every day of the year. Summer care. Summer is the season when aloe vera grows the fastest, but also when it faces the most stress from heat and sun exposure. Light and placement. Aloe loves bright sunlight, but too much direct afternoon heat can cause sunburn. Leaves may turn reddish or brown. The best spot is morning sunlight and afternoon shade. If indoors, keep near an east or south-facing window. If you move it outside after winter, let it adjust gradually 1 hour of sun per day for a week before full exposure. Watering in summer. Always let the soil dry completely between waterings. On average, water every 3 to 7 days, depending on your climate. Stick your finger 2 inches deep if it's dry. It's time to water. Water thoroughly until it drains out. Then remove excess water from the saucer. Never missed aloe vera, it stores its own water inside. Soil and fertilizer. Use a succulent mix. 2 parts potting soil plus 1 part coarse sand or perlite plus 1 part pumice or small stones. This prevents waterlogging. Feed aloe vera once in summer with a light liquid fertilizer diluted to quarter strength. Over-fertilizing can burn roots. Less is more. Summer pests. Watch for mealybugs, aphids, or scale insects hiding under leaves. Wipe them with cotton dipped in alcohol or spray with mild neem oil once a month. Keep airflow around the plant. Aloe dislikes stuffy corners. Rainy season care. Rainy season can be tricky. Your aloe might look happy in the humidity, but too much moisture can silently rot its roots. Shelter from rain. If your aloe is outdoors, move it under a roof, balcony, or window shade. Keep it in bright indirect light, but protect it from heavy rainfall and splashing water. If it's in the ground, plant it on a raised mound or in sandy soil for better drainage. Watering in monsoon. During continuous rains, you might not need to water at all for weeks. Always check the soil before watering. It should feel dry, not damp. Avoid leaving water in trays or saucers. Empty them daily. Soil health. Before monsoon starts, repot your aloe if the soil looks compacted. Mix in extra sand, perlite, or gravel for faster drying. Add a thin layer of sand or pebbles on top to prevent fungus growth. Prevent root rot. Soft, black leaves, or foul smell equals root rot alert. Gently remove the plant, trim off damaged roots, let it dry for 2-3 days, then replant in fresh, dry mix. Avoid watering for another week after repotting. Rainy season pests. Slugs, snails, and fungus gnats love wet soil. Keep the area clean. Use copper tape barriers or set up yellow sticky traps. A sprinkle of cinnamon powder on topsoil helps prevent fungal problems naturally. Winter care. When the temperature drops, aloe vera slows down its growth almost like it's hibernating. This is when most people accidentally overwater and kill their plant. Light. In winter, sunlight is weaker, so your aloe needs the brightest spot possible. Place it near a south-facing window. If your region gets very little light, use a grow light for 4-6 hours daily. Watering in winter. This is the most important rule. Less is better. Water only once every 1-3 weeks, depending on indoor temperature. Let the soil go bone dry before watering again. If leaves look slightly wrinkled, that's normal. Don't rush to water. Temperature and airflow. Ideal winter range: 10-20 degrees Celsius, 50-68 degrees Fahrenheit. Protect from cold drafts and frost. Never leave your aloe outside if the temperature drops below 7 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing near heaters, they dry the air too much. Feeding and repotting. Stop fertilizing in winter. Resume in spring. Don't repot unless the plant is dying or roots are rotten. Wait for warmer weather. Here's a quick, year-round checklist. Summer. Bright light, partial shade. Water every 3-7 days. Light feeding once. Check for pests. Rainy season. Move to a covered area. Reduce or stop watering. Improve drainage. Watch for root rot. Winter. Bring indoors. Water every 1-3 weeks. Brightest window or grow light. No fertilizer. Propagation by pups. The best way to grow new aloe plants is from pups baby plants growing at the base. Separate them gently when they're about 1/3 the size of the parent. Let them dry for 1-2 days, then plant in small pots with well-draining soil. Keep them in bright but indirect light for 2 weeks before regular care. Reviving a dying aloe. Remove from pot, cut off mushy parts, let dry, repot in dry soil. Wait 5-7 days before watering again. Within 2-3 weeks, you'll see new roots forming. Harvesting aloe gel. Once your aloe vera is thriving, it's time to enjoy the benefits. Cut mature outer leaves from the base with a clean knife. Let the yellow sap drain out. It can irritate skin. Slice the leaf open and scoop the transparent gel. Store gel in the refrigerator for up to a week or freeze in cubes for long-term use. So here's the golden rule for aloe vera. More light, less water, and good drainage all year round. If you adjust your care each season, your aloe will reward you with thick, green, gel-filled leaves every time. Comment below which season gives you the most trouble. I'll help you fix it in the replies. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other plant lovers. See you in the next video, and keep growing green.